Got the braided line spinning around the golden reel. On the southern sun, tossing top water plugs through the heavy grass. Watching for a wait, wait for the strike, wait for the pour, wait for the splash. Barbie's hooked up, yeah, he's hooked up. Cast it out.
Oh, wait.
Really back.
What?
Barbie's hooked up. Barbie's hooked up. Bringing that trophy waiting home. Yeah, he's hooked up.
Yes. Finally, bro. Oh, this feels decent.
Finally caught a fish?
Yup. It was the. Oh, damn. Oh, my lord, it's fighting. Okay. Nice. Oh, turtle.
Take your time. Try not to wind your rope right to your tip. See?
Yeah.
Break that tip off. I got it. I want you with your fingers. He's like this.
Come on.
So who ain't caught a fish yet? Man,
You might be too far from the reef, bro. You're gonna pull out the biggest one, bro. Trust. Turbot, that was a small one. Your boy was fighting. Oh yeah, it's on. How you know it's a turbot from that?
Because how they was up off the bottom.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's big. That's big. Oh my lord. I think so. You boy. Yo. What's this? Jesus. Damn, bruh. Big boy. Told you, bro, my time was coming. Yeah, nah, that's definitely a PB, bro. Definitely a PB. Damn. Big boy. Yeah, that's tough. Appreciate it.
Bring them up,
Thank you,
bring
thank
them up.
You'll catch the biggest one. Bruh. Your boy had to assist. Your boy got the assist. Your boy's got his first fight.
Look at that.
Oh, nice little fish.
So excited. I just got a fish.
Bro, how much you catch? You just not saying nothing.
Don't say score.
Oh, mine. I already know mine's the biggest. I'm straight. I'm straight. He was fighting. I was like, hold on. Oh yeah, Wandy boy.
Business, back to business.
Wandy boy, let's go. That was huge. That was huge. Yeah, that's definitely PB.
I thought you had more crazy.
Bro, it was pulling drag. I said, hold on. Bro, already. I just got done.
Really?
I just got done, bro. Yo, it's just back to back. Back to back. Okay. Yeah, that's a nuts. No. Nice one. Damn. Chill.
All right, mama. That's being why we did, you know what I'm saying? That's being why we did.
Yeah, I guess that roar's not broken, bud.
I was gonna say it's really in there. Yeah.
After that, another story. Leaning back and put like
I need my smog.
Pulling up a. Oh, yo, what you got? Oh, nice turbot. Nice turbot. Oh, what the? Bro. Oh, my lord. Yo.
take your time.
Jeez.
What is that? Garbage down here.
Yep.
Remember, always put that rod back in the hood because
Oh yeah,
someone can
thanks.
kick it and hook you.
Nice one. Yeah. Kill. No?
Why you jumping all over the place?
He flipped up my hand. Alright fam, look. I'm got it.
But that only do first.
Nah, that's getting cut. It's getting cut. I appreciate it. I was gonna say, if I catch a pompano. Bro, I want something to run, bro. What, they just woke back up or something? They must have woke back up or something. Your boy said, keep putting it in here. Someone get a jet. Yeah, that would be nice. Look, man.
So which one are you? You're the one. You guys not the one to catch the rocks.
No. Use the what?
Then you don't want to use the spinner and catch like the jack travails and all that.
Yeah.
You have a channel that we don't know about?
Yeah, I have a channel.
What's going on, right?
Yeah, I'm got one.
Yeah, I knew it was two of you. I didn't know which one you wore.
Nah, Tiago is the guy. Your boy's got 1 million subscribers. That's the rockfish guy. Oh my lord, you're coming up, bruh. You're coming up. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. No.
That is.
You got to put it next to it, bruh. You got to put it next to it. It's over there. That one down there. No way, bruh. No way it's bigger.
Yes, right.
Bruh, it's the same size, bruh. It's the same size. Nah, I gotta beat him, bruh. I gotta beat him. That's crazy. Yeah, I probably on our setups, I probably would have took forever.
How you can't?
What?
Now you know what mommy needs for Christmas. Calculator.
Bro, this guy. Jokes for days, bro.
I lost count.
Hook set of doom, bro, I'm telling you. You don't want that bars hooked up, that hook set, bro. That hook set is vicious. Boom. Calm yourself, cousin. Calm yourself. Bruh.
You know how I said I like six? I got six.
Jesus. Which one? No, I don't know which one's mine, no.
Not the biggest one.
No, it has to be, bruh.
No, yours is next to you.
That one right there?
It's still trying to worry about that fish.
This yours right. Ah!
No way, fam. Yeah, come on. There we go. Never. All right, calm down, man. Chill. Woosah.
You let her catch the fish. Don't worry.
This one's actually fighting. Yeah, I think I'm got the biggest. Oh, it's a turbot.
Oh, look at that.
Damn, boy, it hurt my wrist just now. Boy, it hurt my wrist, fam. Damn. Yo, now the turbot be pulling, fam. They're like turbos. Damn. Yes, sir. I don't know how turbot be biting. They be biting so sore. They take forever to bite. Yeah, yeah. Snappers just go ham. Man, that's fine mine. Trying to find mine, bruh. Mine's the biggest in there, I think.
Shit. You got nobody else inside can help me?